With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello everyone, here is a paragraph question. So let's see. Two rings are suspended from a point A and B on the ceiling of a room with the help of string of length 1.2 meter each, as shown. A and B are separated by a distance 1.2 meter. A boy is standing on the floor, throw a ball so that it passes through the two rings whose diameter is slightly greater than the ball. At the moment when the boy throws the ball, his hand is at a height of 1 meter above the floor. The stopwatch is switched on at the moment of throwing. The ball reads 1.2 seconds when the ball passes through the first ring, 0.6 seconds when it passes through the second ring. So in this part you have to calculate the time, the stopwatch reading when it will hit the floor. Right? So you can see here at this point, first of all, these 2 points are at same horizontal level. So if I say the time to reach the ball from here to here is 0.2 seconds, as we have already discussed this in the earlier part, it will be same as that of the point or the particle to reach from this to same horizontal level, that is 0.2 seconds, right? And it is also given that the time to travel from this point to this B point, it is 0.6 seconds. So see, you got the time of flight. It will be time to reach from the point of projection to this point and then to this point to again on the same horizontal level of the point of projection, that is this, and it is 0.8 seconds. And you got the time of flight, right? And we want the stopwatch reading when it hit the floor. But this projection point is not in the same horizontal level. It is at a height of 1 meter from the point from where it is projected from the floor, right? So if you see, now you know that the time of flight is this. From here you can get the u sin theta. If I write down the time of flight, it is 2u sin theta. We already calculated this in the earlier part also. From here you will get the u sin theta. If you put the value of G10 here, you will get the u sin theta is equal to 4 meter per second, right? Now, how much time it will take to reach to the highest point? And what will be its maximum height from the point of projection? This. So we know already from the symmetry it will take half of the time period, that is 0.4 seconds. So it will be at the maximum height, it will be at time of flight by 2. And you can also calculate the maximum height. We know that it is u squared sin squared theta by 2g. You can put the value of u sin theta from here. And we know that the time to reach here, it will be half of the time of flight. Now you can solve it and get this. It will be time of flight by 2, that is 0.4 seconds. So you can put the value of u sin theta. You can see it is 4 into 4 by 20. So it will be 5. And this is 4 by 5 meter. So you got the maximum height. It is u squared sin squared theta by 2g. If you put the value of u sin theta as 4, so you got 16 by 20, that is 4 by 5 meter. Now this point is at a height of 1 meter from the ground. So this height is 1 meter. So the total height will be h is equals to 4 by 5 plus 1. It will be 5 by 5 plus 4 by 5. It will be 9 by 5. And if you use the second equation of motion, you will get the time to travel from here to the ground. So from second equation of motion, initial velocity here at this point is 0. And if I want to calculate to hit the ground from the maximum height, the time from maximum height to hit the ground. So I will write the second equation of motion and I will write h is equals to Since u is 0, t naught square. Let's say the t naught is the time. Put the value of h, that is 9 by 5. G by 2 is again 5. T naught square. You can see you got the t naught is equal to 3 by 5 second. And we already have seen this. The time of flight by 2 is the time taken by the particle to reach the maximum height, that is 0.4, and this is 0.6. So total time will be time of flight by 2 plus the time to hit the ground from the maximum height, that is t naught, and it will be plus 0.6, that is 1 second. And this is the answer of this question. Now you can check for the option. 1 second is D. So D is the correct answer. You can mistake it by finding out the time to reach on the same horizontal level. But remember this point is, this horizontal level is at a height of 1 meter from the ground. So what you have to do, you have to calculate this time first to reach the maximum height. Then you have to calculate the time to reach the ground from this maximum height to the ground. That is 0.3 and time of flight is 0.4. 0.6 and 0.4. You will get 1 second. So D is the correct answer. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.